Unlocking the power of the COT report, a day trader's secret weapon. Have you ever felt like you're trading in the dark, trying to predict market movements with limited information? What if I told you there's a powerful tool that could illuminate the intentions of major market players, potentially giving you an edge in your day trading strategy? Today, we're diving deep into the Commitment of Traders report, or COT for short, and exploring how it can revolutionize your approach to short-term trading during the US session. Imagine this: at your trading desk, charts open, ready for the US markets to spring into action. Instead of relying solely on technical indicators or gut feelings, you have a window into the minds of the biggest players in the market. That's exactly what the COT report offers, and I'm here to show you how to harness its power for your day trading success. Now, you might be thinking, isn't the COT report just for long-term traders or hedgers? That's a common misconception, and one we're about to dispel. While it's true that the COT report has traditionally been used for longer-term analysis, savvy day traders have discovered its hidden potential for short-term strategies. It's all about knowing where to look and how to interpret the data. Let's break it down. The COT report, released weekly by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, provides a snapshot of the futures market, showing the positions held by different types of traders. However, not all traders in the report are equal when it comes to day trading insights. We have two main categories to consider.
Commercial traders, often referred to as the smart money, these are usually large institutions hedging their risks.
Non-commercial traders. These are our speculative friends, such as hedge funds and large traders who thrive on market swings.
You might assume that following the smart money is always the best strategy, but in the fast-paced world of day trading, it's actually the non-commercial traders who hold the keys to the kingdom. Why? Because these non-commercial traders are the ones driving short-term price action. They are reactive, trend-following, and often responsible for the volatility that day traders thrive on. In contrast, commercial traders tend to act as a stabilizing force, often taking positions opposite to the prevailing trend to hedge their business risks.
Let me share a personal anecdote. When I first started trading, I was fixated on following the commercial traders, thinking they had all the answers. I would see them building a large, long position and jump in, expecting the market to follow suit. Time and again, I found myself stopped out, watching in frustration as the market continued to drop. It wasn't until I shifted my focus to the non-commercial data that things started to click. I recall a specific trade in the E-mini S&P futures. The non-commercial traders had been building a significant long position over several weeks. When I saw this, combined with a bullish technical setup on my charts, I decided to take a long position. Within hours, the market surged, and I closed out with one of my best trades of the year. That's when I realized the power of aligning my short-term strategies with the actions of these speculative traders.
Consider the story of Sarah, a day trader from Chicago who struggled to find consistency in her trading. She had heard about the COT report, but thought it was too slow-moving for her style. On a whim, she began tracking the non-commercial positions in the currency futures she traded. Within weeks, Sarah noticed a pattern: large increases in non-commercial short positions often preceded significant downward moves in the market, even on an intraday basis. By incorporating this information into her existing technical analysis, Sarah was able to time her entries with much greater precision. Her win rate improved dramatically, and she finally achieved the consistency she had been searching for.
Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. Understanding and utilizing the COT report isn't just about making better trades, it's about developing a deeper understanding of market dynamics. It's about seeing the forest and the trees, recognizing how the actions of large speculators can create ripple effects that translate into the price movements we observe on our charts every day. However, here's the crucial part. The COT report is not a crystal ball. It's a tool. And like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. You can't simply look at the non-commercial positions and expect to predict every market move. Instead, think of it as one piece of a larger puzzle, a valuable input to consider alongside your technical analysis, fundamental research, and overall market awareness. So here's my challenge to you. For the next month, commit to incorporating COT data into your trading routine. Focus on the non-commercial positions in your preferred futures markets. Look for extremes in positioning, significant week-to-week changes, and how these align with the technical patterns you're already tracking. Start small. Use it as a confirming indicator at first. If you see a potential breakout forming on your charts, check the COT data. Are non-commercial traders building positions in that direction? If so, it might give you that extra confidence to pull the trigger. Remember, the goal isn't to revolutionize your entire trading strategy overnight. It's about adding another weapon to your trading arsenal, another lens through which to view the markets. Over time, you'll develop an intuition for how this data interacts with your existing strategies. In conclusion, the COT report, particularly the non-commercial data, can be a game changer for day traders willing to put in the effort to understand and apply it. It offers a unique glimpse into the positioning of the market's most active participants, providing valuable context for your short-term trading decisions. So, are you ready to elevate your trading? Are you prepared to look beyond the charts and tap into the insights offered by the COT report? The choice is yours, but remember, in the competitive world of day trading, every edge counts. Why not make the COT report your secret weapon? Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the world of COT data for day traders. If you found this information valuable, please like and subscribe for more trading insights. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. How has the COT report impacted your trading? I can't wait to hear your stories. Until next time, happy trading.